boys. There you go. Hey, I like that. Come on, man. Three, nigga, go get you some water. Lead on three. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
There you go. He did it better than everybody. Let's go. Let's go. Attaboy. That's that dog mentality. Hard work. Hard work.
Another Terrence Murphy camp in the books, man. 3rd annual Terrence Murphy camp. I'm in awe of this division and all the people that came and got behind it and supported it.
Football is football. Sports is sports. Playing with your friends, hanging out, that's all fine and dandy, but the real business at hand today is where do you stand right now in your personal relationship with Jesus Christ? This is the most important part of this camp. This opportunity, this knock on the door of your heart, this call, will you answer it? This is the most important. Everything else will pale in comparison to how you handle this moment.
A lot of these coaches in the room tonight have been exactly where you want to be. We've traveled those roads. We've walked those highways. But I think each one of those guys would today raise their hand and say that there is no moment that compares to the moment that we turned our lives over to Christ. He is Jehovah Jireh, meaning that he's a God that provides. They said that he is better than anything. We're gonna get out in the field later and we're gonna express ourselves. We're gonna give energy. But I believe that my God is too good for us to sit down on him and not say thank you, Jesus, and not give him a praise.
I've been around collegiate athletics for over a decade. I've worked many camps, and I'll tell you this is one of the best camps I've seen across the country. Don't take this day for granted. You might not know it today, but the stuff you learn here is going to impact the rest of your life.
We'll see you guys next year and excited to keep this tradition going in Aggie Land.